ukuthi siyifakele izibuko sikhulumele phansi singayikhulumela elokhunjaneni esidlangalaleni lalelani wengane wethu namhlanje iTuesday isikhathi u12:54 kusemini bebade nje ake wengane wethu sikhulume kanjena ke ithi into ke uthi uMacingwane emva kweintsolo zokuthi babamba umhlangano no President Cyril Ramaphosa, the one of the corrupt president in South Africa or in Africa. Babamba umhlangano na and they expect to become out not corrupt. So whether you like me or not, but at the end of the day I need to speak the truth so that singesiloko sincetheza ngizwe sinqa semfene uthengisile whether uyafuna noma ufuni mhlathi wakho uthengisile and uthengisile mawuqeda la uzoclaim ukuthi wena waboshwa athi nginifundele ukuthi uthini ngizwe Mchunu urge his supporter to stop marching saying we can't march and march forever as this will collapse the economy. Ake before ngime lapho nje, number one, we know good we can't march forever. That is why Sister Jacinta will tell us what to do. We know that we won't march forever. That is why we speed up the process yokuthi laba bangafuna ukuhamba they'll pay a huge price laba bangafuna ukuhamba. So you cannot tell us ukuthi wena we can usitshela statement esazi and umuntu wena that will collapse the economy kabani because that economy ayikho ezandleni zethu. Ukhuluma ngayiphi economy Macingwane ekabani eyalaba kade bethi bamba umhlangano nabo eyalama politician tubamba umhlangano nabo ela osoma business obamba umhlangano nabo usho yiphi economy because the one that esibalwelayo thina nje ama South African abana economy usho kabani ki economy Macingwane yona mhlangane nibambayo eyingozi enenza nibuye nishintshe itune. Macingwane na siyakwazi bugqoka kanjani ukuthi kwena usuyasileya ngeimpahla edurayo wena usayiqoka into less than 3000 wena usayiqoka into less than 3. See, we know you took the money, we know allegedly nje they know people said you took the money and ukuthi wena uyithathile kwaziwa wena lokho nabangani bakho mhlathi wakho iyanyanyisa lento because you are claiming ukuthi wena you know the truth will prevail yokunuka. Umuntu wena waboshwa boboshelwe ini boboshelwe ukumashela abantu boboshelwe ini boboshelwe ukukhuluma kakhulu lapha ulwela uJacob Zuma wazosiphaphela and wasiphaphela kufike le arrogant ophuma nayo kulama meeting yona arrogant ekwenza ukuthi sijwayele kabi sima South African. We know what's right for us. The mistake esingathi Sister Jacinta abayenza ukuthi bathembe umdayisi because once a seller always a seller. That's it. You sold us ngesikhathi sokuvota wasitshela sivotela uCyril Ramaphosa. He's the right man to be voted for. As votel ANC, the ANC that is collapsing the country, the ANC that is selling the country to the high speed. And when bakusondeza mawuqeda wa deliver abantu bethu ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bawuthengisa izwe. Unfortunately mhlambe kwabanye uphumelelile mhlambe kwabanye akwaphumeleli. You are the only one that knows. Sicela ke Macingwane mfethu mhlathi wakho. Siyakucela ngasijwayeli kabi and ungasijwayeli ngokuthi wena qhubeka uhambela amafame ibambela kuma fame. And imashini sikhiphile statement ukuthi yaziqhelanisa nawe because wena kuneyintsolo ezithi uthathe imali ethile. Ngenyanya corruption ke Macingwane mina ngizokutshela. Ngenyanya and nginyanya to the full anginyanya ngoba kuthiwa yenziwa when corruption Macingwane uyinyanya ngoba isuku ngenziwa wena mayenziwa wena corruption i right ine explanation. So siyacela kaMacingwane awuye kusiphaphela we know ukuthi we won't march forever ungasitshela wena waboshwa aba ubiza abantu abakhulula lezo babiza ngama junior. Who are you? He also took an aim at Jacinta Ngobese Zuma and her allies, accusing them of chasing media attention, likes and views and calling them juniors who have never been arrested for their activism. uJacinta kasi junior mos wawuseredweni wayiseredweni uphakela umthakathi unayo imbiza ngejuni kahle umuntu one experience yayo yokumasha la uwe. Ordinary South Africans don't have experience yokumasha. Lalela abantu base South Africa makumele bazikhulula badinga amamasha eSouth Africa 9 province aqhubekile and kwamasha kwaba successful. Wena bowungekho kwamanye wahlulwa imasha yaseGoli wena Macingwane sinqa semfene wahlulwa imasha yaseGoli wajuluka wangena gumba yamaphoyisa wacasha wathi maphoyisa silekeleleni Uzokuhleba umuntu ona experience loyo ngasijuni. Umsebenzi wenziwa uphakela umthakathi. Asikhumbula uphakela umthakathi ngena kugumba gumba ethi maphoyisa silekeleleni. Uyazibambela umfokandabandaba. Usisijetsita asikhumbula ngena kugumba gumba athi maphoyisa silekeleleni. Uyabazibambela. Yiphi le experience okhuluma ngayo? Bangakukhohlisi laba bakunika imali ngokuzisho kwabantu asikho sure. Bangakukhohlisi. Lama meeting owabambayo angakukhohlisi. But esikutshela khona i-country izoqhubeka nomzabalazo uzoqhubeka ungekho. Ukhona bovela umzabalazo uyiqhubekela. Abantu e-Eddington wawungekho mabelwa osisuggest into you were not there. So whether you like it or not, ngakhohle ukufollow le page lami MJ Makhanya. Wena ngizwe.
Yabanda sihlalana phansi ke sanhlalana phansi. Uyabona one thing about me ne, I will tell you a joke. Sihleke kube mnandi bengu ha 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 but never a lie. Asoze abantu asendinixokisele unless ndenze an honest mistake. But ukunixokisela asoze abantu ase. Ndandikhe ndafika apha kuni ndathi ndonokubana before i-30 kwakhe kwadibana uphakela umthakathi noNgizwe badibana nopresident kwathini ndathi kuni that was a secret meeting. Ndasebenzisa kanye lo magama. Nathi nina ku comments, hayi Mendi niqalile kwathini nifuna umosha lento inhle siyibonayo kwathini ndathi mina I'm not a bad judge of character. Mina ngiyambona umuntu mehlweni ngimbono lo because into yayixoxisa abantu asengala meeting ne yayingeyo meeting itself yabo yayilanto idiscussiweyo emeetingini. Yeyo into yayixoxisa le nto nokubana okay guys you had the meeting okay sharp siyayivumelana nani sharp chomi beni announce into nokubana nizawudibana nayo upresident sharp chomi but ngoku nidibene naye upresident ibisithini into ediscussiweyo between nina nopresident yaqona uNgizwe was nowhere to be found yava and then uphakela umthakathi tried explaining ukubana no yebezama ukuthetha ngalento upresident esithi zibenzo show into nokubana akuluthwa akwenziwa ezonto kwathini sharp chomi that was 2 or 3 days later after bedibene no president ngosuke beva into nokubana hey abantu ngoku iyathethisa yonke lento sharp chomi ndaphinda ndathi kuni into nokubana uJacinta akayazi yonke lento mangobe sewutheni nikhuphe kulonto Mendi because mina andazani nalonto nathi nina hayi sonke siyi-country besiyazi into nokubana izaba khona le meeting ndathi into nokubana apha eklasini yami funeka usebenzisa lihleli nje uthi ngqondo fika because eyobabantu ase i-meeting ibe khona kwikhalenda yakho doesn't mean into nokubana lo meeting leyo bekudiscuss into ezi-right sifuna ubona i-transcript ukubana bekudiscusswa nto meetingini sifuna i-meeting irekhodwe siyibone apha nansi ba phambi kwamehlwethu. If you are going to call yourself a leader, that is what we expect from you. Sharp chomi ingabi namsebenzi ke leyo niyenze lonto yenu yobana nithi Mendi hayi uyaxoka uyaxoka. I think ngalamini ndamva in all 11 official or 12 official languages zase South Africa ngalamini. Sharp chomi ndayiyeka that mandiyeke. Jacinta wakhupha ke ngoku kuthiwa into lento i-statement esitshoyo into nokubana yey Mendi njengoba nje kolanto yange-30 yanto ya before i-30 kwadityanwa nopresident kwathini besimane si-investigator lento kancinci simane si-investigate phofu sisebhizi ngalo investigation yaqonda and kwi-investigation yethu siye safumanisa ukuba ambona lo wakwamchunu khona into enintsi ayaziyo ndathi kwathiwa ikhona into ayaziyo ndathi into nalefani ingosenzo ingongizwe into nalefani sharp chomi. So kuthiwa ke ngoku izityholo zithi into nokubana lo wakwamchunu ebebhizi bantase ethetha ne-political leaders emasayidini into nokubana and izityholo zithi okay wathatha nalamakhwenkwe awanikwayo zezi-political leaders. So ngoku kuthiwa indlela yakhe bantase ayiqondakali yaqonda. So imatch and match ke ngoku yathi thina siyazi-distance from yena ngoku sifuna athi qelele phaa simjongele kude asifuna belapha close athi uyamatshela le nto siyimatshelayo because ngoku ingathi izinto azisafani yava sharp chomi kuthethwa ngungizwe qha sharp chomi ungizwe nanko ke naye senze sakhe statement no phofa ivakale into ayithethayo bantasi but I think ke nesilungu bantasi uyucimba fansi kuthethe enye into kanti ayithethi le nto ucimba fansi beyayithetha yaqonda so uthi ungizwe into nokubana yena ngendlela abona ngayo izinto akafuni into nokubana enze into that is going to collapse i-economy yaqonda that is going to collapse i-economy so njengangoku ufumanisekile into nokubana bamatshile and baviwe and ufuna into nokubana ngoku yena akhe athi ubuyele emva kancinci ayova ke ngoku into nokubana bathini aba bantu baphetheyo ngale nto yale matshi yava uthi into nokubana yena akangumntu uwenza nje izinto yaqonda into uzenza yena ngehloloba ngelalihlo into lobana izasibeka phi le nto xa kuyiwa phambili yaqonda abantu akutsho mna kutsho ungizwe and ke ngoku mna ndiyayiquma futhi laa nto beyithetha ndibeka qolileyo ndiyayiqolisa yaqonda sharp chomi athi ungizwe into nokubana ningaboni uJacinta nophakela umthakathi bepetsula bebhizi into nokubana hey uthi first of all bancinci mna ndinento eninzi endizayiluza kuyo yonke le nto and on top of that abayazi into nokubana kunjani phaa eRhosimampuru ndathi hayi wena ngizwe uthi yeyi mente aba bantu abazange baye ejele and ke ngoku njengoba izinto nje ndiziva bangaphelela khona njengoba nibabona be-excited ba-excitwa kungazi so mna mntu waziyo kuthiwa mosindlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili so mna mntu mdala uyaziyo indlela sendisuka naphaa eRhosimampuru ndiyayibona into nokubana nam ngoku mandikhe ndishenxe khe ndithi ubuye umva kuyo yonke le nto so ndiyavumelana nesa statement sobana into ebisidibanisa mayiphele ndathi nani so this is a break up kuthiwa kuphelile ke abantu asebetween imatch and match nongizwe phelile into ibithethwa imatch and match is saying into nokubana they are still investigating whatever allegations that are there ungizwe yena uthi hayi mabe-investigate but mna into endiyithethayo ngoku all I am doing is meeting up with induna zazo zonke ezi ndawo because uthe beyomatsha eJohannesburg and then so ngoku i-commissioner andiyazi commissioner yamapolisa okanye i-commissioner yantoni bazawudibana ne-station commander sase-Yeoville nesase-Hillbrow kuzawudityanwa ke ngoku anikwe uthe anikwe iimbali zakhe meaning that ii-flowers zakhe bantasi uzothiwa uhabasa ngee-flowers so uthi ke ngoku ufuna wonke la madoda wayeyomatsha nawo ngalaa mini because ngeyedwa ilida eyayikhona eJohannesburg ngalaa mini ufuna ke ngoku bahambe basuke kwamayimayi bahambe boyothatha ii-flowers zabo ngiyaqonda so ke ngoku mna ke ngoku i-question yam yeyobana okay sharp ezi flowers ziyathathwa but zizi-flowers zikumila kuni zii-flowers ezinjani yaqonda because if ubosithi nokubana wabanika i-memorandum and ngoku uyova i-feedback ye-memorandum okay sharp chomi sibonise i-memorandum isithini sharp chomi sibonise i-memorandum nto nokubana ibisithini then ke ngoku xa uyile ke ngoku ngale mini xa buyoreceive ii-flowers zakho buye ke ngoku siphi i-feedback nto nokubana guys i-memorandum nantsi ke le ndayisubmithayo and then ke ngoku nazi ii-results zibuyile and then ke ngoku sizaba nala understanding ngento nokubana siyayazi bakwenzeka ntoni because into bantase yasohlukanisa thina ne-ANC zento zenziwayo singaziboniyo sibona sokuqhushumba izinto sinemadlanga commission today because of into ezifihlwayo ngiyaqonda so I don't think as a country nizawuphinda nisibone kwiposition yento nobana ii-leaders zenza into yabo phaa and then thina siyamkele singayazi well let me speak for myself I don't think bantase ndizayivotela i-political party yento nokubana ayikho transparent I think ngoku like ndikulaa situation yobana akho kwanto endithembayo akho kwanto ndimthembayo ngoku ingaske umntu athi nantsi response yaqonda then ke ngoku take it from there yabo sibone ke ngoku into nokubana are you still moving ngale direction thina siyifunayo, because you're calling yourself a leader, unless you are blind, leading the blind, because you are definitely not leading us if wena ufuna into nokubana thina sivala amehlo. Ayizukwenzeka leyo bantu ayizukwenzeka. Well, andizuyenza mna because ndiyayazi into nokubana kukho abantu abangengola bale class baka-12D abazawufika bathi mna ndilandela umchunu no matter what. Landela uyi-1 ufake ezanto uzivala amehlo because kuyafana mos kho fokolo ibonayo. So yes, lapho ke bantase, and then yeah, I'm just gonna attach that video nimve nani into nokubana uzama uthini kahle lo mntu.
Hey, except, hey. Here look out. Hey, Buffett, hey. That's a way to. Ish. It's a queen. Some low. 27. July 2026. Nakajani nganza kwethu ngithi ke siphuma lapha eRichards Bay ukuthi ke lapha siyolwa nesimo sabasebenzi ngumhlumezeka kwabo enkampanini abayisebenzelayo engaphansi kwa Transnet. Siyathemba ke ukuthi umlayezo sodlulisile uzozwakala. Njoba ngikhuluma ke nje lezi ndaba, ngikhuluma lezi ndaba ngokukhulu ukujabula ukuthi emveni kokumasha kwethu isikhathi eside kangaka 1,000 marches across South Africa akadenzeka ekwazi wafika umhla ka-30 owabekwa njengelanga futhi ke elingumncamla juqu futhi likhuthaza ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe abangenamaphepha. Sikuthokozelile kakhulu lokho futhi manje sekuthele ithelo ngoba iqiniso limile as much as singakuzuzile konke kodwa futhi we can't march forever. Iqiniso limile lelo, iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa, iqiniso lelo ngoba asinayo inhloso yokucollapse economy. Futhi ngikhuluma lokho njengesenior yomuntu okwaziyo ukuboshwa abafowethu silitha labo yonke lento ukuthi dadewethu uMangobese noMfowethu Phakela abalazi ijele, and futhi they are junior to me. They are excited about every situation, limelight, relevancy, and everything. I'm no longer excited. I'm visionary. I know what to do and when to do it. So where someone is weaker, someone has to protect each other. Someone has to elevate each other. So this is the position I'm taking. I'm on social media platforms. They may be there to say whatever they want to say because of the likes, because of the relevancies, because of abantu befuna ukuthi bahole egcina ngosuku ama-views. So the country is not about views. The country is a very serious matter. We are serious about reparating our own country called South Africa. Njengamanje ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi kwi-Gauteng province uhulumeni wakhona has responded. Ulokhunjana ucommissioner was-Gauteng esasinaye simasha eHeathrow simasha eUval responded. He's called me ukuthi naye no station manager wase-Heathrow no station manager wase-UVAL ney'nduna zase-UVAL sengikhulumile nazo nezase-Heathrow nezase-GP nezase-Gauteng yonkana jikelele esasinazo umhla ka-30 ngithi bafowethu asipheleleni sonke ngolwesithathu ngo-9 siyomukela imbali zethu, siyomukela ama-result okumasha kwethu ngoba we can't march forever but we must march for the reason now and for the change, not for complainants, but we march to the greener pastures. The greener pastures is to receive ukuthi after we have placed a memorandum uhulumeni wase-Gauteng uthini. Ngiyawubonga to respond ngolwesithathu ngo-9 ekuseni zonke iy'nduna esasinazo ngomhla ka-30 esasigijima nazo estradini, sasigijima nazo ey'ndaweni ezahlukahlukene, nazo zonke iy'nsizwa zama-security esasinazo eGoli ngomhla ka-30 esathembisana ukuthi bafana bakithi siyofala ndawonye, siyacela ukuthi sibe khona ngoLwesithathu siyozwa ukuthi ngempela uresponde uthini kuthina ucommissioner, uresponda kuthina ustation manager wase-Hipro, uresponde uthini ustation manager wase-Yuvel, ngaso sonke isigameko sase-Gauteng sokuthi kube nama-illegal occupants emabhilidini, kube nama-drugs ko-Hipro, kube ne-prostitutions ko-Hipro nako-Yuvel, yonke indawo koGoli ko-Sunnyside. So into enjengaleyo now ke isifikile. Njengongizwa umlando wamchunu, as a normal citizen of South Africa, I'm here to declare that I will be the part of that, because imina kuphela owayekhona kuma-leaders akhona senior eGauteng ngomhla ka-30, imina futhi ozobe khona ekuthenini ngikwazi ukuyo receive i-respond evela ku-station commander kanye no-commissioner ne-Gauteng province as a whole, ukuthi reactor ethini kulesi simo ke esikhala ngaso si-country si-South Africa, singabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uPanyaza ukuthi ubuholi bakho bume ngalendlela obume ngayo, futhi nawe uzame kunzima kunjalo ukuthi uhlakule isimo siye phambili. Namanje ke siya encourage ukuthi all other provinces noba umuntu siyambona naye uyakwazi ukuthi a-react entweni enjengalezi sikhala ngazo si-country si-South Africa. Siyakubonga kakhulu Mphemba ukuthi ithe kandlela kodwa sikufuna manje u-action namanye ama-province siyawa-encourage to do the same. Siyabonga kakhulu ngenza kwethu, sicela ukuthi sihlangane sonke ngensizwa zakithi sibambe ngomthetho omdala kaMose Gauteng ngoLwesithathu ngo-8 ekuseni kwaMayimayi siyasuka sibheka sibheka eHipro, suke eHipro sithi Yuvel, sihlangane no-station commander kwakhona eHipro, sihlangane no-station commander kwakhona eYuvel ney'nduna zakhona nazo zonke iy'nduna esasinazo kwi-Gauteng province zibe khona, si-witness the history. We march for the change. We are not marching just to.
Bafowethu nginibingelele ngithi into enkulu ongayazi inkulu kakhulu kunawe. What you don't know is bigger than you. Wengenza kwethu ake sihlale nje straight phezu kodaba lukaMacingwana ungizwe umchunu phela. Okubalekile njengamanje esikuzwile kuphuma emlonyeni wakhe ukuthi uziphendulelile bafowethu ungizwe wachaza ngendlela achaze ngayo engikuzwe ekubalule evidweni yakhe ayenzile khona izolo. Ukucacise nje osobathi akeze ukukhathazeka ngezindaba ekukhulunywa ngazo kuma-social media, izinto ey'khulunywa ngazo kubekwa ngayo izinto kuma-social media mhlawumbe ngegama lakhe, ngoba abantu basuke besebenzisa amadatha abo, abanye bazenzela imali ngamadatha abo. Okunye futhi akuveze ngokusobala uthe ucacisile nje wathi cha yena impela yena-ke uyisini abandla kakhulu ngaphezu kaMagobese nangaphezu kaPhakela Umphakathi, nanokuthi ngicabanga ukuthi wakuveza futhi ukuthi yena useke waboshwa eboshelwe izinto eziningi, kanti laba ababili abawoza kwabo asebenza nabo abakakaze nhlobo baboshwe. So-ke angifuni ukuhumusha lokho ukuthi ngabe kusho ukuthini, ngoba ezinye izinto uma ngabe zikhulunywa khona lezi zinto ekubizwa ngokuthi ama-reversal psychology. Uyabona, so-ke angifuni ukugxila kakhulu lapho ngoba okwami ezami iy'nkulumo zidinga umuntu ayi-understand-e ngoba zinenhlonipho, number one, number two, zinobulungiswa. Ubulungiswa ngiyabufuna bube khona. Angithandi ukuthi yabo lapha nalapha kube khona into engezohamba kahle, kodwa sijabulela ukuthi umfaka Mchunu usiphendulelile ukuthi cha bafowethu angeke size simashe forever. Umnqamulajuqu wokumashwa wokade uphela kwakade kuthiwa umnqamulajuqu umhla ka-30 ukuthi abantu bokuhamba kumele bebe behambile. So-ke njengamanje uselindele ukuthi kuqhutshekelwe phambili kube nenqubekela phambili ngoba uthi yena ngokubeka kwakhe asikwazi ukumasha njalo bese kuphazamiseka umnotho wase-South Africa kusho umntaka Macingwana ungizwe umlando omchunu ukubeke ngokusobala-ke lokho ukuthi cha futhi ngoLwesithathu uzobe ephikelele khona le eGoli kwaNdonga ziyaduma kaMntanamunde lephi no wakubeka ngokusobala ukuthi-ke uyamncoma uPanyaza khona lapha eGoli kakhulukazi uyasho ukuthi kwamashwa wasebonga ney'nsizwa zasehostele eYuveli akade emasha nazo ney'nduna kanjalo ukuthi cha uyababonga kodwa futhi kusasa kuzofuneka ukuthi kuhlanganwe kuzoba nemashi angazi yini ezobe imashelwa kusasa kodwa khona wathi kunento ezobe yenzeka khona eGoli kusasa wayimemezela nje kakhulu lonto leyo kodwa akagxilanga ekuvezeni ukuthi noma ama-allegation noma izinto ezisolekayo ngempela uyazi yini ngazo ngoba ubesoleka kakhulukazi ngey'ndaba zokuthi kunengxenye yosomabhizinisi noma osomapolitiki kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi mina angazi uma kuthiwa osomabhizinisi kanjani bekufuneka la ibekwe ngokusobala ngoba ibizimbengcezwa uma kuthiwa osomabhizinisi cha kungathiwa nje osomapolitiki osomapolitiki ngoba basowomathuba not kuthiwa siyazi ukuthi kuma-politicians bakhona abantu phela abawosomabhizinisi kodwa mase kuzothiwa osomabhizinisi baningi wey'ngane kwethu osomabhizinisi especially nje la KwaZulu Natal sikhona nje sibaningi bafowethu sosomabhizinisi siyasebenza kodwa mase kuthiwa kunosomabhizinisi abafuna ukuhlakaza umbuso abafuna ukuhlakaza i-movement mina nje ngiyanitshela akusibona osomabhizinisi kodwa igenge yama-politicians ezama ukufuna ukuthi iphazamise i-movement. Sasiyazi ukuthi abanye abakhomba lapha nalapha sebesha amaqembu and stuff like that. No. Bafowethu ningajahi ukujampa phambili. Don't jump the guns. Landelani kahle udaba kahle kancane nize nithole ukuthi umnyombo uyakuphi. Okuhle ukuthi kwayona imashi and mashi iyaluhlela udaba iyalu-investigate iyalibheka ukuthi ngempela ikuphi okuyikhona since isiqhelaniso cha ayikakazi ukwazi kwamanje ukusebenzisana naye ungizwe up until ize ithole isiqiniseko ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kodwa-ke akusiyona inkinga-ke leyo-ke ngandla kwethu ngoba phela ekugcineni kosuku le nto ye-movement bafuna kusuke ingekho i-contract and stuff like that kusuke sisenzelwa izwe lethu ngoba naye ungizwe naye uyi-brand ngokwakhe futhi uyabona naye ngoba nikhumbula ukuthi ama-brand la amathathu uMangobese i-brand very powerful masingakhuluma ngelokhuzane mhlampe-ke nangokwe Nick academical uyabona uma ungathatha uMangobese umfake kwi-boardroom anga-agwisha kuze kuse uma sesibheka futhi uphakela umthakathi inkozi Malanga ye-brand ngoba uma ngambeka kwi-field bafowethu kwi-ground ngeke uzolunge ngeke uzumelane nomthakathi nophakela umthakathi kwi-ground naye ungizwe ngeke ubamele kwi-ground yabo. So-ke nabo futhi banendlela yabo yokuthi ba-arguishe ezintweni eziningi. So-ke bonke labantu babathathe ngibabalile angibali abaningi ngibala nje laba abathathe ngibabalile ukuthi baney'ndlela zabo zoku-arguisha kodwa uma singakhuluma academically uMangobese she's very good when it comes to academically. Ungathatha noma ubani noma yiphi politician obafaka kwi-boardroom ungathatha umongameli wezwe noma yibuphi ubafake kwi-boardroom kungaze kuse nkwe ekuseni lubalele ilanga be-arguisha because ilanto academically ifuna ukwazi ukuthi how to argue ungasheshe uxhifike ungasheshe ugowanise and stuff like that. So ungasheshe umelwe ingqondo ujame kuphela i-network funeke wazi ukuthi how to argue ngezinto ezi-relevant ngesikhathi esi-right uzi-align into yakho izwakale ungasheshe udube ungasheshe uxhifike yabo. So-ke it is very important you must know how to do all those things yabo ngaphandle kokuthi usileshe abantu unqamule abantu amakhanda kumele wazi ukuthi uma ngabe kukhulunywa kuxoxwa kuphikune inkulumo impikiswana kungavunyelwana kwenze lokho ngaphandle kwentukuthelo, ngaphandle kokuthi uthuke umuntu, ngaphandle kokuthi ufuna ukuklinya umuntu uze uchaza cha sifuna ukukubona. Sesimbonile kuMangobese agwiwishe endaweni eziningi nje yabo nabaseZimbabwe bake bathi bamthathela kancane wangena. Kodwa okubalulekile ukuthi these three leaders, we value them, we appreciate them. Therefore angeke mina ngize ngikuvumele ukuthi nina bantu akuma-social media, nina abantu abama-content creator, nami sebenze ngiyi-content creator, angazi ukuthi ezinye izinto mayishow ngesingisi ngifuna ukuyihlela ukuthi ngiyangena lapho, ngifuna ukuthola ngesizulu ukuthi ngiyangena yini leyo content creator, ibaluleke ngani yabo. Mina nje ngisuke ngiyikhulumela la ngiyihlaziyela engihlaziya khona, angifocusile kakhulu ukuthi ngicreate ama-content singayi-agwishike leyo kuphumani lapho. Kodwa kubalulekile ukuthi asizazeni ngenza kwethu izinto esikhuluma ngazo and asibe nendlela yokukhuluma izinto ngendlela izinto eziyiyona. Asingakhulumi noma ikanjani, singakhulumi noma ikuphi noma yinini, ngoba vese we need these leaders. We love these leaders. We appreciate these leaders. Konke esikwenza asikwenzeni ngenhlonipho, asikwenzeni nge-honor, nge-order, with peace. Asibonge ukuthi uMacingwane uphendulile, siyabonga uMacingwane, soqhubeka ngesilandela kwenzakalani, kodwa akukho kube ngikutholayo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Qhubekalani-ke nama-allegation enu nokwenzeni ukwenzayo, kodwa nje hlakaniphani, be wise. Kill yourself, don't kill yourself. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. South Africans are calling out Ungizwe Mchunu after he was exposed by a March and March. He keep a statement. People are calling him flip-flop, saying Ungizwe uthengeka lula. People are saying they will continue to march, they will continue to chase away illegal foreigners with or without him. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.